Hi everyone, it's still the 18th and I'm going to upload that last little video I made and then I'm going to upload this one. It's too hard to do it on the Movie Maker anymore. I don't know what the heck's going on yeah, they're just friggin' jacking as much as they can, you know? And now they're black trails. Oh, it's the way the sun is shining. Or not shining. That's friggin' crazy, man. Absolutely insane. Anybody who sits silent on this shit being done to us, you're killing your kids. You might as well just go put a pillow over their face right now, and then you can go get 3 hots in a cot. Because if you're not standing up and screaming about this crap, you are part of the problem, man. You are allowing it. And it's wrong. Absolutely wrong. Tell me a fucking sendog. I'll tell you where you can stick it. There goes another one. Here come the geese. And I gotta go in because I got that builder guy coming. I'm still waiting. I'm gonna point this out to him. I should take a picture of his face. Because he won't have any luck. He'll have a dazed and confused look. Well, what's wrong with that? Stay safe, everybody.